for the good news, the big reveal. Hey people, what's popping? Kilo Shele, Ogini Name. Let's go there. Okay, wonderful people, beautiful people. It is your favorite Chidera Giselle on the microphone. If you are new to my channel, I am Chidera Giselle, a Nigerian lifestyle and fashion vlogger. Yes, I've added fashion vlogger to it because it's necessary. Living in Owerri, Imo State. Welcome to my channel. So you guys, I'm so excited this morning. I have something good to say, but first of all, I'm going to be handing this camera over to Uche. She's going to be handling my face right now, and I'm super excited about it. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video as I hand the camera over to Uche. Yeah, they're here, they're making hair. So you guys, this is Jenna. She's weaving Uche's hair. This is Uche, the makeup artist. You guys, please just ignore how messy this room may look. This room looks really messy because we have a lot of things going on, like we have a lot of preparation going on, so everything is just shown on the bed and scattered. But anyways, Uche, take the camera over to you.
Divine, they won't know.
Nonsense.
After rising, I have to make my hair first before I touch anybody's face. Almost done.
The small matters are rising.
Yeah, almost done. Jenna, say hello.
Hi guys.
Okay, hold on. I'm not doing your handwork. They are not developing it.
You're not serious.
Seeing it. Goodbye before my sister will catch me.
Your friend this year before she started making her hair. So while waiting for her to conclude her hair, I'm going to be munching some before we start the makeup. So come and join us.
Yes, sir. We are ready.
You guys are not ready. No, you are not ready.
You're not even
Are you ready? Oh no, you aren't. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise. I say make some noise for this Achalugo. You guys, how do I look? Oh my god, I look like a beautiful bride. In fact, I am a beautiful bride, and honestly, I have to start praying very well, and I have to start making sure that it is a good man that will have this bride when the time comes, because a man that is not good does not deserve this kind of bride. Like, are you mad to have this kind of bride? Then you're not a good man. Please wait, you guys, I'm coming for the good news. So you guys, it's time for the good news, the big reveal. Today is Saturday, but this video will most likely go up today or tomorrow or whenever. Anyways, today is 9th October 2021, and tomorrow that video may go up is 10th October 2021, and my birthday is on Monday 11th October 2021. I'm going to be 23 and blessed, 23 and fulfilled. I am so grateful to God. Where I was this time last year is not where I am now. Like, whenever I think of it, I just begin to shed tears because God has been so marvelous, so good to me. Yeah, so you guys, who know like better thing? Well, I like better thing, and Chidera has to like better thing too. So here's my birthday wish list. I will just be saying it, and angel may be passing and grant my wish. What I go here. So number one thing on my birthday wish list is an industrial sewing machine. My legs always hurt, especially at night, as if there isn't syringe to draw it. So I wish I can get an industrial sewing machine. Then a Canon M50, a camera. My phone is always doing spaceful, delete, 128 gig. So I need a camera so I can buy as much as 5 memory cards. You want to go? Yeah, and I need human hair, gold and honey brown, baby pixie coils. You want to go? MacBook, heels, cash, ego, owo, money, what I go? Yeah. So that's all for my birthday wish list. I'm actually going for my photo shoot now, and I think I'm going to continue the vlog from here. Yeah, this is one of the outfits for my birthday photo shoot. I'm going to be wearing the second one at the studio, and I'm going to be uploading a video about that one later sharp. I just decided to give these bridal vibes for my birthday. Like, I deserve it, and I'm just so happy. Anyways, you guys, thank Jenna for Miss Jenna that is behind the camera, and you're going to see her in the jiffy. I've already seen her in the video. And thank my staff for doing this beautiful makeup for me, and thank me for making this beautiful dress for myself. If you need a tutorial of this bridal robe, please just identify in the comment section. I made a video of it, and I'm going to make it available, like a detailed tutorial step by step, because people have been requesting for tutorials since. Anyways, I'll be up to the studio now, and see you later. Bye. So you guys, we got to the studio at this point, and I almost fainted at this point. Like, can you guys see the crowd we met at the studio? And we're in a hurry because Jenna was going to Port Harcourt that same day, and we had to rush to the park. So I just kept a turn and I just followed Jenna to the park. I saw her off to the park before coming back to the studio. You guys, the crowd at that studio is mad though. Like, the crowd is so mad, and Jenna is going back to Port Harcourt this evening, so we just had to leave the studio. I want to take her to the park. I already kept my phone, so I'm trying to be fast so I can go back on time and take my picture. And I'm going for a wedding from the studio. Like, today is very crazy for me, very crazy. I've not been able to pick calls, I've not been able to reply messages. Oh my god, I've been wondering that if photo shoots can be this hectic and stressful and scattered, how will wedding be? How is wedding going to be? You have to delegate duties, because I feel everything was more stressful for me because I was one running around for everything.
Yeah, exactly.
I was doing everything. I was one sewing my own clothes too. But my wedding, I sew my clothes too. My husband has proposed to me like 6 months before the wedding, because nobody's sewing my wedding clothes for me. Yes, now, like, by 3 months my clothes should be ready. 3 months to the wedding. It's because I was sewing clients' clothes, doing photo shoot, all those many things. Anyways, you guys, I'll talk to you later because I'm not supposed to be holding my phone at this place. Guys, I'm at the changing room of the studio, and there's nobody to help me out. I don't know how I'm going to do this. My 2 clothes have rope ties at the back. Like, this thing is a consideration. If you are doing any cloth with ties at the back, you have to go to the studio with someone, because I don't even know how I'm going to do this, from changing the first cloth to wearing the second one. Anyhow, there's always a way, so there will be a way now. So you guys, at this point it was time for selecting pictures, and I selected the pictures I wanted and they deleted the rest. Anyways, you guys, this will bring us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it or you love my look or anything, do give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a kind comment, a beautiful comment, share this video. Let's move this ministry to the permanent site, a Watago year, and hopefully I'm going to be seeing you guys in the next one. For now, bye, kiss kiss, love you.